Revision questions for substrand 2, manipulation of complex numbers. Question number 5. Two complex numbers are given as u is equal to 2 minus 3i and v is equal to 5 minus 2i. Find negative 3v plus u. To answer this question, the first step is to do the substitution. Replace u and v with the complex numbers given. So negative 3v plus u is same as negative 3 into 5 minus 2i plus 2 minus 3i. Then you'll have to simplify negative 3v, expand the bracket. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Negative 3 times negative 2i is positive 6i. So negative 15 plus 6i plus 2 minus 3i. Then we have to collect the real parts together and the imaginary parts together. So that gives us negative 15 plus 2 plus 6 minus 3i. Further simplifying, that gives us negative 13 plus 3i. So the final answer is negative 3v plus u is equal to negative 13 plus 3i. Question number 6. Simplify 4 minus 3i over 3 plus 2i. In order to simplify any fraction in complex numbers, we need to rationalize. So 4 minus 3i over 3 plus 2i times 3 minus 2i over 3 minus 2i. We need to multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So in the numerator, we'll multiply 4 minus 3i with 3 minus 2i using the distributive property. So that gives us 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times negative 2i is negative 8i. Negative 3i times 3 gives us negative 9i. Negative 3 times negative 2i gives us positive 6i squared. The denominator is in the form of a plus bi into a minus bi, so that can be simplified using the rule a squared plus b squared. So simplifying the denominator gives us 3 squared plus 2 squared. Now in the next step, we need to further simplify the numerator and the denominator. So in the numerator, we need to replace I squared with negative 1. That gives us 12 minus 8i minus 9i plus 6 into negative 1. And simplifying the denominator gives us 9 plus 4. Now in the next step, we get 12 minus 6, which is 6. Negative 8i minus 9i is negative 17i over 13. Now we have to separate the fractions and write down the answer in the form a plus bi. So that is 6 upon 13 minus 17 upon 13i. Question number 7. Two complex numbers are given as z is equal to 1 minus root 3i and w is equal to 1 plus I. Show that conjugate of w upon z is equal to conjugate of w over conjugate of z. In order to answer this question, we will simplify the left hand side and the right hand side separately. So simplifying the left hand side, we have conjugate of w upon z. So we will first find w upon z. Replacing w and z, our expression becomes 1 plus I over 1 minus root 3I. In order to simplify any fraction in complex numbers, we will have to rationalize. So simplifying 1 plus I over 1 minus root 3I, we have 1 plus I over 1 minus root 3I times 1 plus root 3I over 1 plus root 3I. We'll be multiplying the numerators together and the denominators together. Numerator will be simplified using the distributive property. So we get 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times root 3I is root 3I, I times 1 is I times root 3I is root 3I squared. For the denominator, we can use the rule a minus bi into a plus bi is equal to a squared plus b squared. So in the denominator, we get 1 squared plus root of 3 squared. Now further simplifying the numerator, we'll have to replace I squared with negative 1. So we get 1 minus root 3 as our real part, and we have root 3 plus 1 as our imaginary part. The denominator simplifies to 4. Now writing that expression in the form a plus bi, we get 1 minus root 3 upon 4 plus root 3 plus 1 upon 4I. Now that is the simplified form of w upon z. Now our final answer is for conjugate of w upon z. So the conjugate of w upon z is 1 minus root 3 upon 4 minus root 3 plus 1 upon 4I. Now that's our left hand side. Let's move on to the right hand side. Right hand side has conjugate of w over conjugate of z. So w is 1 plus I, therefore its conjugate is 1 minus I. Z is 1 minus root 3I, so its conjugate is 1 plus root 3I. Now conjugate of w over conjugate of z is 1 minus I plus 1 minus I over 1 plus root 3I, and that will be multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 1 minus root 3I over 1 minus root 3I. Simplifying the numerator using the distributive property gives us 1 minus root 3I minus I plus root 3I squared. Simplifying the denominator gives us 1 squared plus root 3 squared. In the next step, we have to simplify the numerator by replacing I squared with negative 1. So we have 1 minus root 3I minus I plus root 3 into negative 1, and the denominator gives us 4. Now separating the real and the imaginary part, we get 1 minus root 3 upon 4 plus negative root 3 minus 1 upon 4I. And we can further simplify that expression by factorizing the second fraction. Negative 1 is common, so when we put negative 1 outside, we will have the expression is simplified to 1 minus root 3 upon 4 minus root 3 plus 1 upon 4I. Now we can see that the